Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can find the mean, median and mode of a data in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a data set in which the count of this data set is 10. There are 10 values and the data set is already sorted. If the data is not sorted, you can sort it for your ease. Otherwise, by just applying the formulas, you can find the mean, median and mode. So here mean, what is mean? Mean is the average of the values. That is you have to add up all the values and divide it by the count. So in Excel you just need to apply the formula that is of average. So equals to average, and you have to select all the data and then close it and enter. So the 7.2 is the mean value of this given data set. Then we have the median. Median is the middle value of the given data set. If we see that here the total number of values are 10. So in case of even, it's impossible for us to find the central value because we have two central values here. So these are the two central values here. In such a case, for even data, we have to take the average of the two middle values. So the average of 7 and 8 is 7.5. So its median will be 7.5. So if I use the formula to find the median and I'll select the data set, it will give us 7.5. There is no 7.5 value in the data set, but in case of even data set, you have to take the average of the middle two values. Then we have the mode. Mode is the most frequent observation, or the observation or the value that is occurring most frequently, or that have the highest frequency. So here we have 7 that have the frequency of 3 and 8 that have the frequency of 3. So both have the same frequency. It means the data set is bimodal. But in case of Excel, it will always give you one mode. So let's find it out by using the formula of mode and then close it. And what we'll get is 7. So it has given us the mode that is 7. So this is in actual, this is a bimodal data set. But Excel will not give you the two modes. It will always give you one mode. So this is how you can find the mean, median and mode of a data set in Excel, and the data set is even, that is the number of observations or number of values are even, and it is also bimodal. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.